Yo, what up, home slices? It's your boy Film coming to you live from HQ, and I just want to let you guys know that I know I have been a bit absent from YouTube, and the reason is simple. I am sleep deprived, I am tired, and yeah, I'm just trying to sort out that issue. But anyway, today I didn't really have anything planned to do on the car. Like I said, I've been very tired this past couple of weeks. But I decided on the weekend we did the what's this thing? We did a mold with some releasing agent on the back fender, so I'm gonna pull that off for us today, and then I'm gonna see if I can do a headlight restoration using a method that I saw on TikTok with lemon and baking soda. So let's see how it goes. So before we get started, first what I want to actually do is take this marker and just mark up like here, so I know when I'm trimming how much to trim off that other piece. A few moments later. As you can see from the set of my head, easy peasy. So you guys saw how easy that was, you know. Took like a minute just for it to come out, and no energy required whatsoever. Excuse me for being out of breath. That's not a reflection of this work. But anyway, so yeah, once it finally came off, I mean, it's pretty decent, bro. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It did crack in a couple of places, which is fine. You can always repair it with more fiberglass. Remember, this is a mold, so what we want to see is the inside. So looking at this, it's not as smooth as I'd hoped it would be, to be honest, but it's not horrible. Yeah, so I think this may be usable as a mold going forward. We'll find out this weekend. Hopefully my fiberglass that I ordered comes, and yeah, we'll know from there. Okay, next part of the video. So what you'll need for this is a lemon. Put some baking soda on there, right? Rub it in, and then apparently you just rub the headlight. So let's see how it goes. You can see it starts clouding up when it starts drying, right? So let's let it dry and actually see. It gets cloudy. It's not that much better though. Hmm. And like if you wipe it. Ah, that's right. Like that, it's like it's nice, yeah. Like it's not that much different from the other side though. Like I mean, like look at this one and look at that one. It's not that much different. But yeah, I mean, better than before, I guess. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave that one like that, and then in another video what we'll do is we'll use a different method on that. Without, I mean, that was just like a TikTok hack, right? So I wanted to see the results. It's not, I mean, for 5 minutes of work it's not disappointing, right? It's not the greatest, but it's not disappointing. And then obviously like this one here, we can use a different method like with sandpaper polish and everything, and look at the differences and like compare them and see what you're gonna actually uh, get more value from in the amount of time and effort that you put in, you know. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this video here today. It's decent. I mean, I'll put up a before and after picture of that specific headlight, but like it is decent, right? You can't see it from far though, because I think the light itself is like just like yellowish for some reason. They old headlights, original headlights, you know. It's been about 20 something years, almost, yeah, almost going on 30 years I think. But anyway, so yeah, we're gonna leave that one like that. We're gonna do that one with a different method in the next video, and then we're gonna take it from there, right? So like I said in the beginning of this video, I've been tired, which is why I haven't been posting. Oh, the sky looks so flippin' nice. Whoa, let me just get this, and then you guys can screenshot it for your for your screensavers. But anyway, right, so yeah, I've been tired, but I think that's gonna work itself out. So I'm gonna start working on the car again. I'm waiting for my bonus from work, not gonna lie. I want some air tools, I want the air sander, and then obviously I need to get like a compressor to spray the car with the, what's this thing, spray gun, everything. Will be my first time spraying the car, so let's see how that goes. I mean, it's okay if I fuck my car up, right? But anyway, so yeah, hopefully I'm gonna keep posting at least twice a week. So this is my first time this week. It's a bit late in the week, Thursday, but definitely on Sunday again. And then next week we'll post midweek, and we'll post again maybe Sunday. I do have a wedding to go to next week, my cousin's wedding, so the schedule may be a bit iffy, but we'll try and do as much as we can. And then the following week, I think I'll post once or twice as well. I think the last week of December is when I'll be away from YouTube for at least 1 week, and then we'll pick it up again in the new year, right? The goal was to finish this car, well, to at least finish those other panels by the end of December. We'll see if we can track towards it. If not, I mean, doesn't really matter. It will definitely be finished before, let's say, end of Feb. All right, end of Feb, the sky has to be sprayed and everything, right? So stay tuned for that. But that's all from me today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little hacky thing. If you guys want more vlog-ish videos, which includes more of my life, just let me know in the comments below. You know, I'm still trying to figure out what kind of YouTuber I want to be, what kind of content I want to post. So let me know what you guys think, what you guys like, and I will see you guys soon. Peace. It didn't switch off. Peace.